Now I would welcome Dr. Kumaran, who is heading along with our Gajendran. He is heading the Institute of Suguna Institute of Poultry Management, another great group, and which is recognized in the country along with Venkis. So I would welcome Dr. Gajendran along with Dr. Kumaran. Dr. Kumaran will be making a presentation on behalf of Suguna Institute of Poultry Management. Beautiful facilities. They will explain you a bit of activities, what they are doing. Then we will have College of Avian Science Management and then Avian College of Poultry Production. So all over to Dr. Kumaran to Coimbatore.
Yeah, I'm just representing Dr. Gajendran, our principal. He's in a meeting. He conveyed his regards for the entire group. Can we go ahead with the sharing?
Sure.
So before actually getting into Suguna, my salutes to the doyen of the poultry, Dr. Gowda sir, and my friend Dr. Chatterjee, Dr. Magesh, and others in the group. I'm just presenting it on behalf of our principal, Dr. Gajendran. Suguna Institute of Poultry Management, everybody knows, like, it is situated in Udumalpet town, close to Coimbatore. About SIPM, it's an Institute of Poultry Management established in the year 2012 under the Suguna Foundation. The main aim is to enable scientific understanding of poultry farming through well-structured curriculum. It offers degree and diploma programs on poultry science to cater to the need of the poultry industry. The main objective of our institute is to impart knowledge on scientific poultry farming, to provide skill training on advanced farming methods to meet the global standards. And again, to bring about the safe and nutritious food products to the consumers through trained hands, to offer training on changing technologies for higher gains, and to take up research programs on field problems to serve the practicing farmers. These are our main objectives. And I just take you through a very short, video of, a presentation about the institute. So it's actually close to the Western Ghats, and these are the facilities available at our institute. And we have around 8 classrooms. We have a poultry health lab, a poultry nutrition lab, a computer lab, a library, faculty room, and academic block. And we also have a hostel facility for accommodating around 400 students. And at present, the Suguna Institute of Poultry Management is offering one degree course. This is on BSc Poultry Science, which is a 3 years degree program for 6 semesters. This is under collaborative mode of Azhagappa University in Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu. And we also offer 3 diploma programs. One is on commercial broiler production management. It's a 1 year program for 2 semesters. And another one is on diploma in broiler breeder production. Again, a 1 year program for 2 semesters. And currently this year we have introduced another diploma program on poultry health, 1 year diploma program on 2 semesters. So all these programs are affiliated to Azhagappa University, Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu. And we have the classroom facilities. As I was mentioning, we have around 8 classroom facilities. We have a computer lab for the students. And an exclusive nutrition lab is with us for teaching both BSc as well as the diploma students. This is again a part of the nutrition lab. And we also have an exclusive health lab. And we also do have a postmortem facility in the institute. We get postmortem specimens from the nearby farms. This is again a postmortem. The students are doing the postmortem. And we also have a small library which cater to the needs of both the BSc as well as the diploma students. And another important strength of Suguna Institute of Poultry Management is the instructional units we have apart from the institute. And the one is the main instructional unit is our broiler farm. So we have around 500 broiler farms in and around the SAPM. And another important aspect is all these farms are within a 20-kilometer radius line. So our students will be going there for hands-on experience, and we intend to have around 60% hands-on experience and 40% theory. So that is our curriculum design. And students are imparted hands-on training on broiler brooding, growing, and finisher management. And this is again the brooding facility in one of the farms. And again, the farm facilities which we use for the student activities. And broiler house. And the second important facility which we have is the breeder facility. And again, we have instructional farms. There are about 160 contract farms and 10 farms owned by Suguna itself. So totally we have around 170 farm facilities for the benefit of the students. And these students, again, go there for skilled training on vaccination, beak trimming, grading, and even artificial insemination training is also being given to the students. And these are all the facilities available in the breeder units, and the students visit these farms for their hands-on experience. They are also involved in collecting eggs and then grading eggs and all. And then the third one is the instructional unit with us is the feed mill unit. We have around 2 feed mills which are close. One is near Vardarajapuram, the other one is in the Ganapati Palayam. Both are around, one is around 6 kilometers from the institute, the other one is around 12 kilometers from the institute. And we regularly send students to these feed mills. And in the feed mills, the students will be engaged in training on sample, raw material quality assessment, proximate analysis, and then feed milling technology also. They are exposed in all these activities in the feed mill. And the hatchery is another instructional unit which is available with us for the benefit of the students. And we have a commercial hatchery located just 1 kilometer from our institute. And they have around, the capacity is around 15 lakh chicks per week. And the students go there for their hands-on experience. And in the hatchery, they are getting practical knowledge on candling of eggs, grading of eggs, and then storage of eggs, vaccination, and chick pull out. So they are engaged in all these activities. And another important instructional unit which is available for the benefit of the students is the processing plant. The processing plant is near in a place called Vayalur, which is around 20 kilometers from the institute. And we send regularly the students to there. And the capacity is around 3,500 birds per hour. The capacity of the processing plant is around 3,500 birds per hour. And again, in the processing plant, the students are taught with regard to antemortem examinations and then slaughter techniques, processing, packaging, and storing. And apart from these things, we also have the laboratory facilities. We have a diagnostic lab facility. We have an exclusive bacteriology laboratory. And we also have the basic requirements that are needed for a bacteriology laboratory. And we also have a pathology laboratory and a serology laboratory. And serological techniques are used for post-vaccinal immune responses. The students are involved in techniques like ELISA and hemagglutination inhibition test. And we also have a molecular biology lab wherein we can do polymerase chain reactions. The students are exposed, BSc students are exposed to some of these techniques, though they may not be actually doing it, but they are exposed and they know that these techniques are available just in case if there are any problems, they will be able to manage when they are working in the field. So what Suguna Institute has for its students, so we have an excellent learning opportunity with lots of farm experience. We just plan our curriculum in such a way that they have around 60% farm experience and 40% theoretical exposure, and 100% placement on the day of graduation for all our students. For BSc students, And for the diploma students, on the day of graduation, they are offered the placement letters. And another important thing is we just have only 20% of the students from Tamil Nadu. The remaining 80% are from the length and breadth of the country. We have students from even Haryana and then Meghalaya, Manipur, and in the western side from Gujarat, Rajasthan, and all the southern states we have students. And we also have created international job opportunities. A few of our students are going on world through ASCII, Agriculture Skill Council of India, two have already left for USA for a 1-year job opportunity program. And around 6 or 7 students are in the pipeline. And again, international training opportunities are also available for them. And we also have students from the neighboring country. We have students from Bangladesh for especially the BSc program. And just to complete that, some strengths of Suguna, number 1 in Indian broiler production, 10th largest poultry enterprises in the world, 3rd largest broiler producer in Asia, and around 9,000 crore turnover, 19 states operation with 8,000 villages. I'm just adding to this 19, we have around 20 states operation is there, and there are around 5,000 employees, 30,000 farmers, 2 lakh channel partners, and we have around 5 lakh benefit from indirect employment, 4 million chicken produced per annum, 40 hatcheries, 40 feed mills, and introduced Oracle business suite in the first time in the poultry industry. And with the request of Dr. Magesh, the organizer, I'm just playing around 4-minute video about our activities. Can we go ahead?
Please, please. Most welcome.
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, it's okay. Volume is not that good, but we are able to appreciate.
Sir?
Volume is not there.
Volume is not there.
You would increase probably. Very light is there. Okay, don't worry, it's visible. Volume is not there.
Okay, sir.
If you want, you can talk in between, no problem. You can explain.
Yeah. So we have cultural programs. This is the graduation program. 100% placement is there. That's the main issues, main advantage. We give 100% placement, and our students are working globally also. They have hands-on experience in both on poultry nutrition. So we have some collaborations with some of the agencies which are involved in poultry health. We have some research programs as well. This is our principal, Dr. Gajendran. Most of you must be knowing him. And he is one of our alumni, sir. Makesh Eknath. Now he has become an entrepreneur.
Good.
He's an alumnus of Suguna Institute of Poultry Management. This is another alumnus, like former student of Suguna. So he's working in a multinational company. These are some of the small examples of the Suguna activities.
Good.
So thank you very much for your patience, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And
thank you very much, Dr. Kumaran, and then Gajendran, in absence, and the entire Suguna team.